Hello, this is Jimmy Chaplin with Mid-Atlantic Weather, and I'm definitely concerned about the amount of rain that we're seeing over the next 7 days. Poor people down in West Virginia and Southwest Virginia just got inundated with rain last week. You can see that the same region is going to get a lot of rain. We already have flash flood watches up today for the rain that's going to happen today. There are chances that some localized areas could see up to 2 inches of rain. You can see the flood watches have been issued wisely down here. Many of these river streams are at bank full. Some of the rivers are probably still even slightly overflowing. And I know that the ground is extremely saturated. And we know that a lot of people have actually lost their lives or property down that way. So please have them in your prayers and thoughts today. And if you can think of ways to support them, please do, whether it be clothes or whatever. I mean, just look for some organizations, Red Cross and things of that nature. Please note, too, that a lot of times cash is the first thing that people need. Even the relief organizations say that a lot of times money is where they need to go first before they assess what is actually needed from tangible goods. So please reach out and maybe even talk to your local churches and things of that nature that could reach out to these communities. So what is in the forecast today? There's this front and some outflow from it that's going to come eastward. This should actually cause eruption of thunderstorms as early as 1 or 2 this afternoon. As they come east, there's just a lot of moisture that's going to be pumped up into the region, and thus you see flash flooding as possible. Again, flash flood values are very low, meaning it's not going to take a lot of rain for us to get into that situation, especially areas along the mountains and just to the west. We already know that. So this is what we're seeing today. So what we have is this front coming here. There's a secondary cold front right behind it. These are going to bring in some nicer weather towards the end of the week and some cooler conditions as we head into the weekend. Unfortunately, it looks like Sunday rain could return, but we can see the progression here. So here's the front moving east, some troughiness that's going to set up east of the Appalachians and along the Appalachians, again causing that flash flooding. So here we see it coming east. A lot of moisture again that's going to get wrung out is a word, not ringed. And then the front still hasn't made it through tomorrow, so we do have a chance of more isolated showers and thunderstorms. Looks like a little low pressure is going to form along the front as they kind of occlude or catch up with each other, and then it's going to finally move out by Wednesday morning. So that's pretty basic here. This cooler high pressure should dominate at least, like I said, through Saturday, and then we'll see return flow and an increase of moisture on Sunday. And just stepping through, so here's day 3. This is Wednesday. Front's cleared the coast. We've got a high pressure system building in. It's really nice. See that yet there's another high pressure system coming in here from Canada. Interesting pattern. I mean, if this was winter, I'd be talking about colder air infiltrating the area, but for now it's just drier. It is below normal, which I love this time of year because I hate hot heat and humidity. So as you can see here, we get some more reinforcing coming down out of Canada. It comes east, and here we have on Saturday a front coming through, and then we're going to have it. We'll see what happens here, but I think what we're expecting is that a low pressure system is going to form. This front's going to stall out, and when we get that, you start to get the overrunning effect and more rain coming in here by Sunday, and there could be quite a bit of rain. So again, we got to watch out, unfortunately, because of flooding concerns in the region. But this is also a cooler area of high pressure, so I'm not seeing a heat wave by any means. We get these one-day warm-ups like today, and then we get cooler and rainier air, or moist air, and then it cools us down again. So hanging on. I still suspect sometime in January or July, we're going to see a flip to much warmer than normal conditions. So here we go. Finally, the front's cleared through here by Monday. And again, we get that reinforcing shot of drier air. And that's all for me from Mid-Atlantic Weather. I would just say, hey, guys, pay attention to the forecast. Do not drive through flooded streets. There could be some marginal severe today. I didn't even actually highlight that. But just to note it, there is a marginal threat of some severe in the southwestern part of the state. Again, any thunderstorms is just going to make it more likely that we will see flooding rain. And that is all for now. Thank you very much.